What is going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just got this package from Kies Motorsports, which I am so excited for because, you know, I've been wanting some of these for a while. And I told myself, I'm gonna wait. Because one, they've been sold out for a while, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wait until they get back in stock. And ooh, look at this. Hey, hey, hey. A new launch tag? Yeah, for the car. Check it out, guys. Dope, and a decal sticker. Gosh, you guys, you really shouldn't have. All right, so what do we got here? We got ourselves, woo-wee. Check it out. We got ourselves some new shiny mirror caps, guys. These look phenomenal. I am excited for these. These look really good, guys. Let me show you. Wow. Now this is a work of art, guys. Look at that. Wow, these look so beautiful. Look so good. I mean, look at that. Alright guys, so I already did a video on this before, you can watch it up here somewhere, but it's pretty simple to remove these caps, right? And again, you can reference the video up above, very simple to do. This video, I'm gonna show you just a final look of how the car looks like with the carbon fiber caps on. Again, I have these trim tools, which you can find in the description below. But again, if you wanna see a full in-depth video on how to do this, click the link above or in the description and you can do it for yourself. Let's get to it. It looks freaking aggressive, guys. Oh my God. Well, that's it for the video, guys. These carbon fiber caps look phenomenal. Thank you so much, Kies Motorsports, for sending it my way. It was an easy install, legit. Just took me like 10 minutes to get these things installed, but they look phenomenal. My car looks so aggressive now that these are installed. It just complements everything else. I mean, I have a front lip, a spoiler, rear diffuser, and now these. I mean, gosh, all I'm missing now is just a carbon fiber hood. I mean, maybe I might get one. If you want one, go to the link in my description and order yours from Kies Motorsports. They got to me really quick and they just look phenomenal, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you next week.